In this video, we will be doing how to write the place value of decimal numbers. Now, if in case of whole number 2473, how to write the place value? Suppose the place value of 2. This is a normal number without a decimal point, whole number. So, without the decimal point, if the place value is needed to find out, it's very easy. The place value of 2 is 2000. What is the place value of 4? So from the position, place value means position. So 4 is in the hundreds place. Unit 10 100. So the place value is 400. 2 is in the thousand place. So the place value is 2000. 3 is in the units place. So the place value of 3 remains 3. And 7 in the tens place. So the place value is 70. Now, if it is a decimal number, then what happens? Suppose instead of 2473, if the number becomes 2.473, then the place value no longer remains this. So the place value changes. And how it changes? 2 before point, before decimal point, whatever number is there, it is the whole number part of the number. So 2 remains the whole number part. As it comes before the point value, before the placement of the point value. After point, whatever is given, we call them decimal places. So after point, there are 3 digits, we call them decimal places. And how to find the place value of the numbers which are after the point? So now, point, what is the place value of 4? So you have to write like this: 4. For point you will write 1, you will change the decimal into fraction. For point you will write 1. I have already taught you how to change a decimal number into fractional number. So 0.4. So the place value of 4, if you have to find, we have to change into the fraction. So 4, the number we will write in the numerator part, and the denominator part, what we will write? For point it is 1, and we want to find the place value of 4, so we will move only till 4. So since we are moving only one digit, so 0. So for one digit movement from the point, we take this 0. So the place value of 4 is 4 by 10th. So this is only the place value of 4. Now, if you have to find the place value of 3, what will be the place value of 3? It will be written as 3. You have to just write as fraction. The way we taught how to convert decimal number into fraction, the same thing will help you to find or understand the place value of the decimal numbers after the point. So 3 by, how will you write the denominator? For point you will write 1. You are moving 3 places up till this number. So 3 digits you are moving, so there will be 3 zeros. So this is the place value. What will be the place value of 7 over here? 7 divided by, from point you are moving 2 digits, so it will be 0.100. So these are the place value of the decimal number, or it can also be written in a different style. How can you write it? See, after point 4 is coming. So after point, if any number comes, it remains same. So 0.4 is the place value. What is the place value of 7? So what you will write? After point, you have to cross one digit to get this 7. So point, instead of the number that you will cross in order to go to 7, you will take 0. So the place value can also be written as point. For this digit we are writing 0 and 7 is present next to that. So 0.07 is also the place value. For 3, how can we write the place value? So after point we have to move 2 digits in order to get this 3. So 0.003. Or you can understand in a different way, that is, we have given the numbers in fraction. If you change the number to its decimal, if you change the fraction to the decimal, like how it has been taught, for 1 we are taking point and there are 3 zeros, so there is only one digit, it will replace the 0, and in between the point and the digit there will be 2 zeros, so 0.003. So there can be different methods of understanding the place value. Place value means position of the decimal numbers. Any number present before the place value, before the decimal point, they are treated as normal whole numbers. For example, if I write 232.437, what is the place value of 2? So 232 comes before the point, they are treated as normal whole numbers. So the place value of 2 is in the hundreds place. So the place value of 2 is 200. 3 is in the units place. So this before point, whatever is the number is treated as unit. 10, 100. So 2 is in the units place, place value is 2. 3 is in the tenth place, so the place value of 3 will be 30. But after point, the place value changes. The place value doesn't remains the same. So you cannot write in this way or find the place value. How you have to find? 0.4. So what is the place value of 4? You just change the decimal 0.4 into fraction. Suppose 7. What is the place value of 7? You just change 7 into decimal. 7 divided by, for point you take 1 0 to write the denominator, you are moving 2 steps, so 7 by 100. For 3, what will be the place value? Write 3 on top, just change into fraction. 3 divided by, for point you take 1, moving 3 steps, so 3 zeros. So you just change and write in the fractional style, that is also the place value. Or if you can change the numbers to its respective decimals, that is also the place value.